Alright guys, so here we are today with a new weapon. This is the John Wick shotgun, or one of his shotguns. The KELTEC KSG 12 gauge. And just picked up by my son. And we're going to open it up, see what it looks like in the box. Made in the US of A. Here we go. Alright, so this is the box it comes in from KELTEC. And looks like it's got a sling with it, and got a sticker. That's good. There's your manual, safety instructions. Very nice manual that comes with it. Another KELTEC sticker, like a decal, and this is it, the KSG. And let me get it out of the box here, and then I will set up on a tripod and we'll go from there. All right, stand by. All right, so we're back, and here we got the KSG out here in the bright sun. You can see it's got like some, it came in this cardboard packaging, and the cardboard residue is kind of all over it, so it's not in the best shape right now. It needs to be cleaned, but we're bringing it to you right out of the box. So there you've got the KELTEC logo, Cocoa, Florida, KSG 12 gauge 3-inch, and a serial number right here on the butt stock. And then you've got it engraved, and in the lower is polymer, and the hand guard's polymer. It's got a good grip to it, but we're going to put a forward grip right here, a vertical grip on it. We'll put some sights up here. You got the nice Picatinny rail. There's the end of it. That's your double magazine in there. The way you rack it is right here. You get this either, I guess, ambidextrous lever, and that's your rack. Trigger, you know, bullpup trigger, standard bullpup trigger. Nothing to write home about. But that's it. So yeah, here's where you load it at. So the way you load it is down in these tubes. There's a lever right here, so you'll do this side first, and then you swap it over, do the other side. Real nice. So look at the other side. Got a really good solid butt stock to it. So that's it, the John Wick special. And we're going to take her out to the range now, and we're going to see how she shoots. So let's get to it. We're out. First shot with the KSG. Went a little high right.
High right?
Yeah. That looked right in the middle.
I was hitting low. I was aiming low left.
Oh no, that's Kentucky windage. We don't do that around here. Okay, so bring it back. Let's
hold on a second. Forget the O lights.
Okay.
Get that up. All right.
Try another one.
In the middle.
Yeah, sure.
All right, what do we think? Push him back to
Good Lord. That would have took care of business. The headshot.
Boy, hit him with that Mike Tyson.
Yeah, you got it. Top left. Right on. Dead on. That's a lot of damage.
You hold it right now?
All right, mass spread 15. We're going to do 20 does with the KSG. Looks like a 20 pass shot. How'd it do?
Oh yeah.
All right, so where were they at? Oh, that's a good spread right there. Man. Well, he's going down for sure. Ready? We're not going by their rules anymore.